Greetings. Thank you for joining me. I'm Cassandra Lee. Today I want to talk about trust and what it means to trust who you are as a divine being that you are. While I do not meet the standards of most definitions of a Christian, I do believe in and wholeheartedly follow the teachings of Jesus of Nazareth, the man who walked the earth and preached of an unbiased, all-welcoming love. A love that was built upon the notion that we are children of the Most High. Jesus preached a universal love, a love that included the sick and the poor, the wealthy and the healthy, the forgotten, the remembered, the shamed, and the successful. All of us. We are God's children. So what does that mean? It means that we are divine beings, each and every one of us. You. There's a creator, the original source of our creation, that some get hung up on what we choose to call it. But what you choose to call it is your choice. Some call this creator God, Brahman, Tao, spirit source. You might have heard the phrase infinite intelligence. Some simply call it love. I think Jesus even referred to God as love. Whatever its name, I choose to use the term the divine. Please use what you are comfortable with. This is your free will. This is your choice. But the fundamental truth is that whatever we call this entity, this divine source, what it really is, whatever its name is true love. And we are its children. We are children of the divine. We are little sparks of the divine. Some ask why. Why would a creator, an omnipotent and loving being, want or even allow us to suffer? Why would pure love want to witness hurt and hate with the inherent challenges and shortcomings of our human, egocentric mind that seeks to see ourselves as separate than? The reason is because this is how love expands. The divine, through us, experiences life as a human. And the divine's response to every person, to every situation, is love. So how can an energetic being generate an expansiveness of love, but if through the opportunity to turn to love at every experience? Think about that for a minute. How is pure love going to expand if love is the response to every situation? The reason we exist is to give love this opportunity to turn to love. In human form, Because of willpower and personal independence, we have this great opportunity, this great teaching opportunity and learning opportunity. We have these experiences to allow us to evolve and to expand. And because we are connected to the divine, our Creator, through us, the source of all, expands as well. We are divine beings living life as humans again and again and again. Imagine you've heard the saying, and I think it comes from Deepak Chopra, that we are spiritual beings having a human experience. It's not the other way around. We are not humans having a spiritual experience. We are more than our bodies, which come and go. We are the light, the soul, the spirit that comes from Source, that comes from the divine. That's who we really are. Not people with names or bodies with toes and fingers and colors, different skin tones, hair colors. We are a divine presence having a human experience. So why does any of this matter?